This is a lesson in how to use the addition finger chart. And to start with, you would show the children that the numbers across the top represent the first addend, and the numbers across the bottom represent the second addend. So, for example, if you wanted to find 8 plus 4, you can find the 8 over here and the 4 over here. And our finger goes down the column until it's in the same row as our other finger. And then that finger goes across, and where they meet, you see the answer is 12. Okay, so this board can be used with all kinds of different problems, and it can be used to help the children move from the hands-on materials to being able to look up a problem quickly. So it can be used with a sheet like this, or if the child is doing a practice page and they forget a combination. So let's say they forget what 6 plus 9 is. They can take out the chart and quickly find it. So 6 plus 9 equals 15. Okay, so they can use this chart as a reference. It also will help them to discover patterns in numbers. Now there's another chart that looks like this. And this chart has the sums missing. And it can be used to fill in the answers to help, again, internalize the tables. So 8 plus 4. We'll find the 8, the 4, and where our fingers meet, we can write the answer, 12. Okay, let's try another one. 7 plus 3. That's 10. Okay, and that chart can be filled in this way, or it can be filled in systematically. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And of course, the child might catch on. Oh yeah, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so those are the two finger charts